Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane, this is my jam. I'm just gonna take a seat here. I have a unboxing for you today. It is here in the box. It has never been opened. So I'm going to open it with you instead of just revealing. I don't have anything from this brand, but I saw this and I fell in love. And I was looking at a couple other items on the site and thought, I don't really need anything. Maybe I just get something else or wait and get something at another time. But I couldn't deny it. I kept thinking about it and thinking about it. And I thought, oh my gosh, if I don't get this, I'm going to regret it. I don't want to regret it. So I'll open my box here and I will show you. This is what I am seeing right now. I don't know if you can see where that's from. It's from Bulgari. So you get a nice big package here, or envelope. And I'm just gonna open that up here and you get a certificate. Congratulations on your magnificent Bulgari creation. Just has my receipt, a return form, and then, oh, this is pretty. There is a postcard. You can actually use it as a postcard. It's got like embossed gold on it. So that is really pretty. I like that. All right. So now I'm going to take the box out of the box and show you. All right, so it comes in just a plain white box. I'm actually surprised at the size of this based on what it was I got, but pleasantly surprised. And let's see what I do here. Sorry, I'm just maneuvering the piece or trying to figure out how it opens. Oh, it opens. It opens magnetically or like magnetically. I don't know if there's a magnet in there, but it certainly seems like it. The packaging's cardboard, but to reveal, you can see that here. I'm just gonna show that. This is just incredible. It's like wood. I believe it is wood. Wood on the cover of this with a pattern on it. It's just gorgeous. And then the top of the box. Oh yeah, it is magnetic. It just says Bulgari in there as well. This is incredible. So inside, it looks like this, orange packaging. I love orange. I'm all orange today. And I'm using my orange Coach Cassie as my bag of the day. Okay. So inside, this is just kind of spectacular. You find this. Kind of show it in here. It's hiding in there right now. But as you can see, it's much smaller than the box. So here I have the box, just nicely packaged and ribboned up with this pretty gold. I'm going to pull. Ooh, it's like silk, the straps. And the box also says Bulgari on it. I think that's how it's pronounced. This packaging is beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Now you can kind of see here, but the print on this says Bulgari in silk or gold. Words are hard. Metals are hard. To reveal. Oh. the details. It's got the little serpent header face on it. It's this fuchsia pink leather. It's coming up very, very true to color in here. It says Bulgari. This is raised metal. It's actually little letters there. There is a zipper at the top here, or in the thing. The interior is black fabric of the coin section. Then opening up the wallet part of it, I have it upside down. So here it is. I actually, for no charge, you can get your initials placed in it. So I have my initials embossed in it. That. And then there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6 card slots there. And this is in the lighter pink, and then this portion is in the more, fuchsia colored. It also says Bulgari, let's see, made in Italy on the bottom right there. And then there is also a wallet section in here. Oh, this just smells so good. You can smell the leather. And the black here is actually cards to keep the, the shape of this. So here's the wallet part. It's all leather inside there. That's all leather. So this is my newest wallet. They've been putting this out. I don't know, I've been seeing it on Instagram, I've been seeing it on Facebook, but I just couldn't deny the color. And I don't know how this is gonna wear with a little serpent head there in my bags and stuff, but I have other wallets where it's the front words are hard, the front part sticks out a little bit too, so not that concerned about that. I'm also just looking in here, because there was one other thing in the box. Oh, there's 2 other things. So there's a Bulgari it has a little, it's a card, and it's got a spot for you to scan on there. And then you get a little envelope here. It says Bulgari. Let's see what that says. And you open it up to a little card. And actually, it's a little booklet. It's hard to tell, but it has care instructions inside. There we go. The attention to detail here is just, it's so nice. I'm just really, really pleased here. I was just gonna look and see, sorry, I'm a little unorganized here, if the receipt says what the name of the wallet is by chance. I'm so terrible with names. Serpenti Forever Trifold Wallet. So there you have it. I have a Gucci wallet that's almost in the same color, so I just can't deny this. Oh, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just looking it all over because I haven't seen it till now. So yeah, here it is. Let's just show it all. There's the front, the side, the back, the side, and then top you can see the zipper compartment. So that's my unboxing for today. Oh, she smells so good. Let's see, have a few tag videos I think coming up, and I'm probably gonna put myself on a little bit of a band island for a little while, but I do have a few other things that will be kind of sporadically coming in. I just would like to thank you so much for watching and for subscribing if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I'd hope you'd consider subscribing. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and also really enjoy when you comment. I really enjoy interacting with everybody in the comments. It's one of the reasons I started doing this, was just to have a group of people I could kind of talk to. So thank you again so much for watching. Please remember to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And until next time, bye.